Hey folks, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Luis Ingles and I want to talk a little bit about AI's voice agents. As you know, everything with the AI now, it has been created and you can create practically almost everything. But the one thing that you need to understand is doesn't matter that you have the ability to create like every single tool in the market right now. Like you could create a copy of Salesforce with a few prompts as well. But the integrations, the maintenance, and the technology is really different. And as well, this is almost the same with anything that you create in the SaaS space. So one of these agents, like I created it almost fully and entirely with Claude. And what you need to understand is practically being created and it works doesn't mean that it's optimized. And we can see this on the cost of running credits or running a like the voice agent here at retail. So what I created this with this agent, a single prompt agent that is called here, is for dental clinics. So I'll put here like dental clinic agent. This is what it's for. Practically, if you created it here and I have a full-on NAN setup for the agent, it like it does the work. Like that is not the problem itself. The problem itself that if you are going to do volume and mass volume type of usage of this AI agent, it's going to get expensive as hell. What do you think you need to understand is for some of these exceptions that were created by Claude practically. So that's why you don't need to like be convinced that everything that you do through AI is going to be with the mindset of saving your costs, is with the mindset of completing a task. You're going to see this big difference in here. So as you see here, just as a tiny example, like the single entry webhook from the retail agent goes through here and extracts the payload practically of what it was discussed on the call. It routes the function, so it means that if it checks the availability of the calendar, if it's booked the appointment, or it goes a fallback if it doesn't work, and it does the correct loop of actions. It means that it's going to check the availability of the calendar, is going to calculate the slots that you have and respond to the availability. That's where the agent just falls off. And after you respond, practically it's going to go through the same execution again. So you're going to be spending two, three, even four credits if someone says, for example, on a call, hey, I want to check the availability of these day or tomorrow or any time of the week. And yeah, the agent is going to go through the G call, but it's going to execute multiple times the same thing until it books the call. So it means that it can run from two to even four times if someone just keeps asking the same questions. That's why, even if it works, even if it makes the job, that's why you have something like conversation flow here in retail. So you can execute the logic of what you wanted to do from the conversation flow, and you just do the routing of what happens, like the final execution on NAN. So you spend like one or two or practically half of the cost of there. So in here, like you can say, I can test it out. Hopefully it's going to listen to me. You're going to be able to listen. Hi. Hi, Sophia. I want to schedule a cleaning appointment for this week. I'm a new patient. My name is Oscar Martinez. Like tomorrow, Wednesday, 25, works great for me in the morning. 10:30 in the morning. Sounds great. The same number that I have right now. That's correct. Nope, that's it. Okay, perfect. So yeah, as you notice, it's going to execute the issue at the end. Let's go through it. I'm opening the NAN here. I didn't set up the WhatsApp practically, but you're going to see here that it goes through the Gcall event. It's going to book. I have like a WhatsApp flow in there, but this was fully created with Claude, and it means that on the booking, it looks great, like it booked, but it went two times into the same loop. So it checked the availability, and then it booked the call. Two two expenses, like two credits being spent on the same time. So that's you don't want that. That's where conversation flow works within retail, and it's set up correctly. It's going to like spend 50% less of your credits in NAN if you want to do like calendar availability to your other calendars that are not the one that you have already integrated in the system with retail, or you want to do like push notifications to WhatsApp like I had here. I haven't set it up or finished setting that up. It was just for this example. But yeah, that's the main problem. Even if it works, it's going to spend money where it doesn't need to spend money practically. So it's an issue. It's an issue, and it's something that needs to be optimized. So don't trust everything that Cloud says. Try to make it as easy as possible for you, saving the money, saving the time, and just it takes a little bit more time on doing the conversation flow that is here practically. If you go to the home page, there is the conversation flow. Like if you create a voice agent conversation flow and you just create it and start from blank, and you can create some logic into here that it's going to be less expensive than just going through NAN and doing the same logic that you could have done there. So yeah, that is a like really a small example of a voice agent that just schedules a call for you or schedules an appointment for your calendar and make things easier, but always have in mind the cost savings of it all. Okay, perfect. Hopefully you like this video and have a nice day. Bye bye.